The Uni-Guide linear slide system is an assembly combining the durability and precision engineering of PBC linear solutions with advanced linear guide rail technologies. This system is specifically designed to integrate seamlessly into various applications, providing a robust linear rail system that eliminates tolerance stack-up and dampens vibrations. Incorporates FrelonGOLD liners, reducing the necessity for external lubrication and enhancing the longevity of the linear bearing rail. Features a ceramic hard coat anodized finish on the rail with an anodized finish carriage, suitable for environments requiring corrosion-resistant linear rails and slides. Supports heavy loads, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty linear guide rails and linear slide rail applications. Performs optimally under wide temperature ranges and challenging conditions, perfect for linear rail specifications where reliability is crucial. Includes options for extended length carriages and various brake setups, enhancing the functionality of the linear rail guide in demanding applications.